Hey guys, welcome to the channel Market Uncharted. In today's video we are going to talk once again about silver and gold stocks and the momentum that we are seeing in the stock market. So here just a presentation from Majestic Silver where they talked about, with the help of Tavi Costa, about the commodities up double digits in the last 3 months. As you can see, we seems to be in a new commodity super cycle where you see here silver outperforming nickel, copper, iron ore, gold, zinc and soybeans as well. And this First Majestic Silver, the management reported a record production in 2022, a total of 31.3 million silver equivalent ounces. This was a 16% increase over 2021. They also expect the output in 2023 to grow even more, reaching 33.2 to 37.1 million silver equivalent ounces. So you see here, bottom line, First Majestic production growth will be one of the biggest in the industry this year, maybe the biggest one. It will position them as the second or third largest primarily silver producer in the world. We'll know after they all release the 2023 guidance. As we see, we had a range until 37 million. That's a stock you want to own in a bull market. And why talking about bull market? As you can see here, gold in the monthly prices, we are 3% away from the all-time highs. Credit also here to Tavi Costa and Crescat Capital. The gold to S&P ratio seems to present a very positive for the future. As you see here, gold to S&P 500 ratio, gold is almost closing to the all-time resistance since 2010. This seems to be a very good moment to jump into gold stocks. Here as well, gold to S&P 500 after yield curve inversions. As you can see, gold can really outperform, pointing out that we are here on the bottom left, that we are close to an inversion point. Also to mention the same for silver to equities ratio, silver is even more undervalued in comparison to the overall stock market. Here we can compare versus the Russell 3000 index. Silver to money supply ratio, as well as we will see the next time we have an increase on money supply is when silver really outperforms. Silver versus commodity seems to be very undervalued as well. You see here the commodity index already moved up since the beginning of 2021 and silver couldn't yet move on a lateral matter. Gold and silver miners versus the S&P 500. Here we actually have something important because the GDX already broke the resistance formed since the all-time high in 2020, broke versus the S&P 500. So seems to believe that the S&P will underperform the gold and silver miners in the future. And this is one of the best charts out there. We have the cup and handle in silver in annual candles. So you can see here since 75 until now, 2023, we see here a cup and handle being formed. After we broke out, we can take maybe to triple digits silver. And now not only the good news, also important to mention people with other views. Here we have Norvast, which actually is thinking that now we are almost reaching a daily cycle low on dollars and dollars need to make an intermediate high. If this happens, this will cause a lot of pressure to gold and silver, which in my view I think is going to be a very good opportunity to buy the dip for the next time that gold reaches out the all-time high, can break that resistance and continue moving forward. Here exactly the same I was saying with the graphs of Norvast, where we can see it's possible that the gold take a deep dive until the 1800s and there would be an amazing opportunity to jump in some of the good quality silver and gold miners. The same for silver, of course, always outperform in either to the upside or the downside. And here you could see that silver could go until $21, between $22 and $21, which again, in my opinion, would be a very good opportunity to buy the dip. Here I SILJ from David Brady as well, where we can see a clear lateral movement in the last couple of years, which makes if SILJ can break, the resistance can take up to the $19. And here just a quick summary of all the miners that I have on my portfolio, which I also think they can have a very good performance during the next bull market in silver and gold. Once again, guys, don't take this as an advice. Always make your own due diligence. I highlighted here silver as the main one, but also some gold miners as well. We have ECLA Miner, IAMGOLD, McEwen Mining, First Majestic Silver, as I said, also very good to own in a bull market. Then we have Sunstorm, B2 Gold, Kinross, Agnico, Pan American Silver, and so many others. In the bottom also the ETF SILJ. If you don't want to be exposed in so many miners, you can always go with the ETFs, which gives a pretty good cover as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Never forget, knowledge is not power, knowledge is potential power, execution is everything. And I mean this because we are in a break of a new gold and silver market. We have the opportunity to jump in very good, high quality miners, but always think in the long term. And never forget, we will not rest.